Urdu knowledge.
With the name of Allah, who the most gracious and merciful, who the creator of the whole universe and king of all the things. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I am Muhammad Mudassir Khan, and my father name is Afsar Ali Khan. I belong to Jadid Hind Jul Nurbaz, and my hobby is reading book, and my dream I'd like to become a good professor of English, and this dream is from my childhood. So today the topic which is given to me, feature description phase 3. I would like to tell you the title of my topic, festival. Do you know what is the meaning of festival? The day of celebration is called festival. So here is many action, colors, character which is given in my picture. So let's see one by one in detail. I start from the front of my picture. Here is, as you can see, these are decoration lights, and the decoration lights, the color are different, such as yellow, green, red, and we use the decoration lights for beauty. And look at that, it's a home, and the home color is look like orange, and the clock color is white and black. And a small family can live in this home. Oh, look at that, it's a tree, and the tree trunk color is maroon, and the leaves color is always green, and tree is cleaning the air. Oh, look at that, this is a man, and the shirt color is green, and the pant color is blue, and the man sitting on the tree and watching the nature air. Come here, as you can see, this couple, the couple shirt color is black and orange, and the pant color is light gray, and the shoe color is red and white black. And according to my point of view, this couple is dancing. Oh, look at that, the same couple is here. The shirt color is gray, and it's a multiple color, red and green. And this couple is also romantic dancing. Oh, look at that, this couple is also, the shirt color is green and black, and this couple is also dancing. Oh, look at that, here is some music and man, it's a guitar, it's a guitarist, and the guitarist shirt color is the combination of two color, red and white, and the accordionist color is red, and this is a singer, and the singer, the dress color is multiple color, red, green and white, and the singer is singing a song by stand microphone, and the accordionist is also playing accordion, and the guitarist is also playing guitar. Oh, look at that, here as you can see, this is a rally, and the rally director, the coat color is black, and the pant color is gray, and the hair color is white, and this is a arrangement director, and he is writing about the arrangement. Oh, look at that, it's a violinist, and the violinist coat color is blue, and the pant color is yellow, and she is also playing guitar, violin. Oh, look at that, here is a couple, and the couple shirt color is pink, and the coat color is also pink, and the pant color is gray, and the women pant color is red, and this couple is also looking at this boy. Oh, look at that, this is a mommy and her two child. The one child, the shirt color is blue, and the pant color is blue, and the cap color is red, and he is crying for something. Oh, look at that, the mommy coat color is green, and the cap color is yellow, and he is trying to silence her baby. Oh, come on, look at that, this is a fountain, and the fountain color are multiple. The grapes color is black, and it's a green color, and it is we use the fountain for beautification. Oh, look at that! This is a big women, and the women coat color is gray, and the pant color is black, and the hair color is also black, and the hands of this girl have a festival icon. Look at that! It's a small boy, and the small boy, the coat color is pink, and the pant color is green, and the shoe color is gray, and the hands of whom has a festival icon. Oh, look at that! It is a home, and the cone roof color is gray, and the wall color is look like orange, and a small family can be settled in this home. Look at that! It's a very nice building, and the building cone roof color is look like brown, and the wall color is custard color, and here as you can see, it is a flower pot, and the flower pot color is blue, and the leaves color is green, and it is a curtain, and the curtain color is red, and here is many family can be settled in this building. Oh, look at that! This is a man, and the man's shirt color is green, and the pant color is purple, and the hair color is black, and he is very shocked because suddenly the crow is came and picked some food thing from this man. Oh, look at that! This is also a man, and the man coat color is green, and the pant color is black, and the shoe color is red, and the hands of whom some food and a beer of glass. Oh, look at that! Here is a small family. Here is a small family which come for enjoyment, and here is a multiple color. The shirt color is blue, yellow, and it's also blue, and he is ordered to the waiter, and the waiter is about to come. Oh, look at that! This is, according to my point of view, a girl, and the shirt color is yellow, and the pant color is blue, and the hands of whom has a festival icon, and he is very enjoyment in this time. Oh, look at that! It is a big man, and the man coat color is blue, green, and the pant color is blue, and he is watching upwards like this man. Oh, look at that! This is a man, and the man coat color is black, and the pant color is also black, and the hat color is black, and he is turned himself and watching downsides. Oh, look at that! Here is also a small family. According to my point of view, here is a multiple color. Look like it is the combination of two color, red and yellow, and it is a gray color, blue, and pink color, and he is also, and the family is also watching the dancing of these all couples. Oh, look at that! Here is face tomato, and the face tomato color is the combination of two color, green and red, and the face tomato looks like smiling. Oh, look at that! Here is Bobby. The Bobby color or the same like gray color, and they are flying. They are flying into the air and watching the view of nature. Here is a small shop, and the shop wall color is yellow, and the shopkeeper color is green, and the hair color is brown, and he is working as a seller. Oh, look at that. Here is, as you can see, according to my point of view, this is a couple, and the couple short color is black and blue, and the pant color is gray and green, and the couple is also came for buying something. I think I described the main things of this picture, and now I summarize the picture. So my title was Festival. As far as festival is concerned, it is an important day, and people celebration enthusiastically. And if we talk about Islam, so there is many festival in Islam like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha, 14 August, which is also called Independence Day of Pakistan, and Miladun Nabi, and the Sam festival of India like Colorful Day, or as you can say in the easy tongue, Diwali. So thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. I try my best to describe this picture, but if I any mistake in this picture, then I really apologize for that. And if you learn something from my picture description, then you can motivate me by your valuable share comments on our videos. And if you want to join live classes in the English House, then you can also visit the English House. Thanks to the sir, and thanks to you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.